When it comes to reviewing the best kids' movies, this week we're not dragging our feet. Get it? Dragging your feet? Okay. I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another kids' movie review. Hit that like and subscribe button right now for the freshest of Fun with Captain Starlight content 2 times a week. Plus, check out heaps of our other movie reviews in the link below. Way back in 2010, we ventured to the village of Burke, where we met the would-be dragon hunter Hiccup and the most adorable dragon in the world, Toothless. The film was a hit, winning a slew of awards. They made 2 sequels, a spin-off series, and a stage show. But now in 2025, we're going back to where it all began, in live action.
We're all descendants of the finest dragon fighters from everywhere the Vikings ever travelled. These beasts are a threat to all of our lands. It's time, Hiccup.
Sometimes it's hard to live up to your parents' wishes, but imagine if your dad was the leader of a dragon slayer horde and he wanted you to follow in his footsteps.
I have to kill you. I will, because I'm a Viking. Hear that? I'm a Viking! It's okay. I won't hurt you.
Now he's got the cutest dragon in the world as his best friend, but as you can imagine, Dad is not impressed.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!
To make matters worse, an ancient threat has emerged, endangering both Vikings and dragons.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
Well, you've already done that.
It's something crazy.
Join Toothless, Hiccup, Astrid, and their motley crew for a roller coaster ride fully realised in live action. Even though it's the same movie, it looks so good. The live actors bring way more depth to the story, and the scenes where Hiccup flies on Toothless makes it feel like you're there with them. Parents, while this film is for kids, spoiler alert, there are some big scary dragons in this movie, and it may be a bit much for your little Vikings. Fun facts: this is the first live-action adaptation of a DreamWorks feature. Actor Gerard Butler, who plays the role of Stoic, Hiccup's dad in the original movie, is also playing him in this movie. And did you know that dragon legends appear in nearly all cultures throughout history? Does that mean they were once real? Who knows? Ooh. If you're a fan of the original film, this movie will be your flight of fancy. Our Captain Starlight rocket rating gives it a dragtastic 4 out of 5. Before you check it out, remember to like and subscribe for more of our great content. I've been Captain Starlight, and this has been another Kids Movie Review.